The House of Representatives Ad Hoc Committee on the Implementation and Oversight of the Naira-for-Crude-Oil Policy cordially invites stakeholders and the general public to the investigative hearing of the Ad Hoc Committee on the Naira-for-Crude-Oil Policy. This investigation is in line with the mandate of the committee in advancing national discourse, promoting robust oversight, and developing sound policy recommendations concerning the Naira-for-Crude-Oil framework. As a valued stakeholder, your presence and contributions will be instrumental in shaping the future of this strategic initiative. Furthermore, kindly submit 30 bound hard copies and soft copies of the requested documents to Meeting Room 440, House of Representatives, on or before 20th, Thursday, November 2025. Event details. Date, Thursday, 20th November 2025. Venue, Meeting Room 440, House of Representatives Complex, National Assembly, Abuja. Time, 10 a.m. prompt. Your cooperation, contribution, and active participation are highly anticipated and sincerely appreciated. For further inquiries, please contact Committee Clerk, Barrister A.D. Abdullahi, on 0803-579-4485. Announcer, Right Honorable Barrister Boniface S. Emerengwa, DSSRS, Chairman, Ad Hoc Committee.